popular stand option is called the Tripod X stand. It is very lightweight and portable, and used for a lot of trade show expo booths, corporate events, and business displays. This stand is very easy to put up, and banners can be swapped out very easily with this stand. We offer our 13-ounce matte vinyl as well as our banner soft fabric material that can be installed in these stands. We offer this stand in a few different sizes and have two very similar stands called the Adjustable X Banner Stand and the Value X Display. The only difference in all of these different stands is the size of the banner that they hold, so that we can offer different size options to our customers. When our customers order this product, they will receive the stand and the banner separately. It will be their job to set up the stand and install the banner. Here are the steps that they would follow.
Step 1. Remove all of the parts from the bag and place it on a clean, flat surface. You'll want to expand the tripod base by gently pulling the legs out until it can stand on its own. Insert the arms into the tripod base. Attach the banner by placing the arm hooks through the grommet holes at the top of the banner. Gently pull the banner down to hook the lower banner grommets to the base leg hooks. Please note that this tripod display is designed to bend, and when properly installed, the banner will pull tight and the arms will arch. However, if you install a banner that is different than the recommended size, it may cause permanent failure of the display due to bending of the arms the wrong ways. And that's how you put together this tripod banner display. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial.